It's been a while since I've filmed a video like this with me. Yes, I'm in my pajamas because it's quarantine. I will be getting changed though because I got inspired by my friend Courtney. She wanted to do BTS albums as outfits and I was like, bet, now I'm gonna try that. At first I was like, I don't know if I can do that. But now I'm like, you know what? Let's have some fun this quarantine, get out with these pajamas. So I'm gonna pick the outfits, pre-pick them because I don't want to edit like me standing here for like 10 minutes choosing one outfit. So it's kind of gonna be like a montage, but I have like my summer clothes as well, which I'm not wearing yet. They're in a box, so I'm gonna go through them as well and do some albums. I won't do all the albums because I can't. I know I can't, especially just a lot of them. Some of them I know I can't do. So I will do my best to do what I can in my wardrobe, and if you guys want a part 2, I'll try to do a part 2 in the future with some of the other albums. So give it a like, I guess. And yeah, also I wanted to say in person, thank you so much for over 300 subscribers now. I've basically become a K-pop YouTuber now, haven't I? Like, I've said this before, and this is like, BTS are the only people that I get inspiration from. I'm very emotional. So I've decided not really to do a montage, kind of just like talk over the outfits, I guess. So this is the outfit that I picked for Dark and Wild. I don't have any red accessories, so it has to be this bag from the concert merch. I got this in Wembley if anyone is wondering. The top is from H&M, it's like crossed in the middle. Chain is from Miss Selfridge, I got it on sale. The pants are Puma, and they're like these snap ones, so, and the shoes are Puma as well, and they're the BTS ones. I've worn them once and that is because they squeak, the leather. Can you hear that? It's not very pleasant when you're walking and that stuff pisses me off, so they're just an accessory now. I'm also making TikToks of these, so if you want to follow my TikTok, here it is. So this is the outfit for Oh Are You Late Too? Just a red top, white cargo denim pants, the gold chain again, and I'm wearing the Puma shoes again, and put my hair into a ponytail, even though I don't really like having it in a ponytail, but it doesn't look too bad now. I think it's just usually these bits fall out too much where it just does not look nice at all. The top is from Zara, but I got it in TK Maxx for like €6. And the pants are from Bershka, or wait, no, sorry, Pull & Bear. They're from Pull & Bear. And I should have actually said my size for stuff just in case you're wondering. These are a size 8 or 36. Here's the outfit for Young Forever. Now, I'm not sure about this one. It's okay. I just don't have that much like multicolored stuff in my wardrobe. I found this and this in my summer box, so I think it works. I get very like picnic vibes just from the hot air balloon. Like, does anyone else? Like, a picnic basket is just perfect to go with it as well. So it's a picnic outfit if you want, or you can skip the basket and just have the outfit. And there are the shoes. The top is from Topshop, and the skirt is from New Look, and then the shoes are Carvea. Oh, and my necklace. The necklace is a little butterfly, and I think that's from Miss Selfridge as well. I get like most of my jewelry from Miss Selfridge. And then this is the hair. I need like a seat. Oh my god, I can't squat. This is like the hair I did, just half up, half down, and my bangs are just coming out. I look like an egg right now, but sometimes it works. Oh my god, that hurts my thighs so much. Here is my outfit from The Most Beautiful Life in Moment Part 2. The Most Beautiful Life in Moment. I don't have Part 1 in person, but Part 2 I was like, that's blue. I'm liking blue at the moment, so I decided to wear my pearl necklace, which is from I can't remember the brand, but I got it in Debenhams. And then the top is from New Look, and it literally came about an hour before I filmed this. And then the pants are from Urban Outfitters. I almost said Urban Decay. Urban Outfitters, they're BDG jeans. And then the shoes are from Puma. I've not worn them yet because I'm supposed to be going to Korea in May, and hopefully that will still happen. I'm keeping hope, basically. But I plan to wear them there. Here is my outfit for Persona. Of course, my favorite because I just love pink. These are actually like the only pink kind of pants I have besides cargo pants, and I didn't want to wear them. I wanted something a bit more classy because, you know, the photo shoots inside are classy, but of course I have to keep the pink as well, going with the top and stuff. And again, these are both from Miss Selfridge. The necklace is the same and the shoes are the same with their tags still on them. And then I tied my hair up because it looked a bit nicer than when it was down, but now I really look like an egg. Oh my god. Anyway, that's it for this video. I know it's quarantine and I should be like putting out videos like non-stop, but I'm sorry, I have no inspiration. Like, I can do vlogs, but they're gonna be boring, just me like crocheting. I'm crocheting a blanket, that's news. I've sewn some things as well. I sewed this bag from kind of scratch. I'm looking forward to being able to wear that out. Again, you can follow me on TikTok, that would be great, and Instagram as well, because like I'm just doing my makeup some days and having a photo shoot. Like today is going to be one of those days. That's the good thing about quarantine, I have Instagram posts for once, so follow me there and follow my Twitter. I just like and retweet stuff, and then sometimes I do tweet stuff, so if you want to do that, do it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want a part 2 and what albums as well you would like in part 2 to be done, and I will try my best. I am waiting on some things from ASOS, but they'll take a couple of weeks to come because of this whole virus thing. And also hope you're staying healthy. Please be taking care of yourself and your well-being, and I hope all your families and friends are okay, and stay at home. That's all I have to say about that. I'm gonna go. Bye.